Good day everyone and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to add a Facecam video capture from OBS to Discord. So guys, this won't take long as this is actually pretty simple. So firstly, just open up your OBS. As you can see, I'm now recording. And now what you're looking to do is you need to start your virtual camera. So I recommend just going into your tray and then just clicking Start Virtual Camera like this. Then you need to go into your video capture device. In my case, it's my real camera, right? And then instead of the real webcam that you have, just choose OBS virtual camera like this. Okay, and now as you can see, I will have this window here of my desktop. Press OK. And also make sure that it's working inside your OBS like this. And now let us move to Discord settings. And in Discord, it's actually also pretty simple. You go to the settings. Then you go to voice and video, and in here, you just need to choose your camera, right? So as you can see under the camera, instead of the camera, your physical one, you choose OBS virtual camera. And now whatever you set in your OBS, open it back, right? For example, you go into properties, you add some frames, maybe some filters, some post-processing. So whatever you do here, it will also appear in our Discord. So when you choose to, for example, join a call or something like that, people will see precisely what you have in the virtual camera in the OBS. That's pretty much it, guys. So enjoy your virtual camera in Discord. Like and subscribe as always. Thank you for watching.